Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add display capture in OBS Studio, so you can record your entire screen or monitor. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Now, go to the bottom section called Sources. Click on the plus symbol icon to add a new source. From the list, select Display Capture. You'll see a pop-up window. You can name it anything like Screen Capture or just leave the default name. Click OK to continue. Now, OBS will ask you to choose a display you want to capture. If you have more than one monitor, select the correct one from the drop-down menu. You'll also see a checkbox for Capture Cursor. Turn it on if you want the mouse pointer to appear in a recording, or leave it off if you don't. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. And that's it. Your screen will now be visible inside OBS. You can resize or move the screen capture inside the preview area if needed. Now you're ready to record or go live with your full screen. If this video helped you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more OBS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.